This was our plough day in 2024 for the Otorohanga Vintage Machinery Club. This ground is being ploughed up for maize to be planted. As you can see, most of it's already been ploughed, but a little bit was left for us to have a play on our vintage machinery. We were lucky enough to have a young man who had a drone and was trying it out, and this video is a result of that. The crawler is a Oliver ADH and 30 horsepower, around 1950. It's towing a international A8 plough in America known as a Little Genius. The blue tractor following is Jeff Pullham on a Ford County 1164, and he's pulling a Duncan 6-furrow plough. This international plough here, it's got short moldboards and does a fairly nice job, but sometimes doesn't turn the material over too much when you are ploughing deep. Bit of a contrast there with 100 horsepower versus 30 horsepower, but handy to have a tractor like that on hand in case you get too close to a drain or something like that. But I didn't, fortunately, and both tractors performed well. There are a few other club members ploughing out of sight on this video, but we have a bit of fun, burn a bit of diesel, and look forward to having a few beers afterwards. Great day out. Shame it only happens once a year.